Dati pa lang, nung nag-umpisa pa lang kami magkilala, parang feeling ko na ito na yung the one. Tapos sabi ko, kaya lagi akong nagdasal kung sakaling papalarin kami, bibigyan kami ng baby. Tapos, yun po, sabi ko, kung bibigyan nyo po kami ng baby, yun po yung ready na po kami. Tapos, thanks God, dahil binigyan kami ng baby na ready na po kami. I don't care, go on and tear me apart. I don't care if you do.
Time na po yun, sobrang excited po kami kasi ayun nga po, first baby po talaga namin, and na-excite po talaga kami kasi hiniling po talaga namin siya sa Diyos.
Happy birthday, Apok! Papakabait ka. Sana lumaki kang masigla. Happy birthday, Apok!
Happy first birthday, Joaquin. Sana lumaki kang mabuting bata. I love you. Love ka ni Mami Jana.
Happy birthday, Joaquin! Apo namin. Guwapo. Hello, Joaquin. Wish namin, Apo, sana lumaki kang mabait na bata, kagaya ng mama at papa mo. Mahal na mahal ka namin.
Happy birthday, Joaquin!
I'm sick of lying here all alone and nearly sleepless at night. I'm honest, it's boring. 1,000,000 demons surrounding me, picking a fight. It's toxic. You were the best I ever had, but every second you were screwing me over, and now I'm done with it. I guess that there was no surprise, deleting you out of my mind. Isn't it iconic, standing on the front line,
Ladies and gentlemen, let us all witness the entrance of our royal family. Together with Mommy Shaira and Daddy Joseph, isang malakas na palakpakan naman po muna for Joaquin!
Happy birthday, Joaquin. Sana lumaki ka ng mabuting bata. Sana wag kang makulit paglaki mo. I love you, Joaquin.
you were the best I ever had, but every second you were screwing me over, and now I'm done with it. I guess that there was no surprise.
Hi, Joaquin! Happy first birthday and happy christening. Welcome to the Christian world. And sana lumaki kang may takot sa Diyos. And someday mapapanood mo tong video. Kung gaano ka namin kamahal, ayun lang. Mama and Papa is always there for you. We love you, anak.
Wang Kiking. Happy birthday. Natouch ako kay Mami Lam. 1 year old ka na, Wang King. Sana lumaki kang may takot sa Diyos at mabait palagi. Love you, Joaquin.